Crash Course, Ecuador, Quito. Welcome to Quito, the vibrant capital city of Ecuador. Nestled in the heart of the Andes Mountains, Quito is a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty. In this crash course, we will embark on an exciting journey through captivating stories and examples that will ignite your imagination. We'll also explore the top 12 attractions that make Quito a must-visit destination in Ecuador. Story 1: The Center of the World. Quito is famous for its location at the equator, earning it the nickname the Center of the World. The Mitad del Mundo monument marks the spot where the equator line passes through, allowing visitors to straddle both the Northern and Southern Hemispheres simultaneously. It's a fascinating experience that showcases the city's unique geographical position. Story 2: Colonial Splendor. Quito's historic center, known as Old Town or Centro Histórico, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best preserved colonial districts in Latin America. Its narrow cobblestone streets are lined with stunning Spanish colonial architecture, grand churches, and picturesque plazas. Exploring the streets of Old Town is like stepping back in time. Top 12 attractions of Quito. 1. Basilica del Voto Nacional. This neo-Gothic masterpiece offers breathtaking views of the city from its towers and a chance to explore its stunning interior. 2. Plaza de la Independencia, the main square of Quito, surrounded by historic buildings, including the Presidential Palace and the Cathedral. 3. Compañía de Jesus, a Baroque masterpiece with a stunning golden interior, considered one of the most beautiful churches in South America. 4. Teleférico Quito, ride the cable car to the summit of Cruz Loma and enjoy panoramic views of Quito and the surrounding mountains. 5. La Ronda, a charming and bohemian street in Old Town, known for its vibrant art scene, traditional crafts, and lively nightlife. 6. El Panecillo, a hill overlooking the city, crowned by the iconic statue of the Virgin of Quito and offering panoramic views of the cityscape. 7. Middle of the World City, explore the Intinan Museum, which showcases the indigenous cultures of Ecuador and fascinating experiments related to the equator. 8. La Carolina Park, a sprawling urban park with lakes, gardens, sports fields, and the popular Quito Botanical Garden. 9. Museo del Banco Central, discover Ecuador's rich cultural heritage through its extensive collection of archaeological artifacts, traditional art, and exhibitions. 10. Gapulo Church, located in the picturesque neighborhood of Gapulo, this small church is renowned for its stunning views and peaceful atmosphere. 11. Capilla del Hombre, a museum dedicated to the works of Ecuador's most celebrated artist, Oswaldo Guayasamín, showcasing his powerful and thought-provoking paintings. 12. Mariscal District, known as the modern and bohemian neighborhood of Quito, it offers an array of trendy bars, restaurants, shops, and art galleries. Summarizing Quito. Quito is a city of contrasts, where history merges with modernity, and natural wonders intertwine with cultural treasures. From its colonial architecture and vibrant plazas to its breathtaking viewpoints and lively neighborhoods, Quito offers a diverse range of experiences that will captivate and inspire every traveler. Poem. In the heart of the Andes, Quito stands tall. A city of wonders, enchanting all. Centuries of history, streets paved with tales. Where colonial splendor never fails. Old Town's cobblestones whisper of the past. Baroque churches, their beauty vast. The equator divides the world in two. A testament to Quito's unique view. Basilicas soar, reaching for the skies. Plazas alive with joyful cries. From La Ronda's bohemian artistry to El Panecillo's watchful divinity. Quito, a city of colors and sound. Where traditions and cultures are found. From the heights of Teleférico's cable car To La Carolina's green embrace, oh so far. Museums and parks, a cultural retreat. Guayasamin's masterpieces, a sight so sweet. In Gapulo's church, tranquility resides. While Mariscal's energy, always abides. Quito, a symphony of ancient and new. A destination that will leave you in awe. So come, explore its treasures untold. In the heart of Ecuador, a city of gold. Song. Verse 1. In the Andean heart, where mountains rise, Quito's beauty shines, beneath clear skies. A city steeped in history and grace. A tapestry of cultures, a vibrant embrace. Chorus. Oh, Quito, city of wonder and charm. From colonial streets to viewpoints so warm. Basilicas, plazas, a journey through time. Quito, a destination, truly sublime. Verse 2. The equator divides, where worlds converge. Quito's center, a unique urge. Amidst the alleys of old towns embrace. Spanish colonial treasures, a story to trace. Chorus. Oh, Quito, city of wonder and charm. From colonial streets to viewpoints so warm. Basilicas, plazas, a journey through time. Quito, a destination, truly sublime. Bridge. From Compañía's golden sanctuary to El Panecillo, where the Virgin carries. Quito's landmarks, a visual delight. Where past and present gracefully unite. Chorus. Oh, Quito, city of wonder and charm. From colonial streets to viewpoints so warm. Basilicas, plazas, a journey through time. Quito, a destination, truly sublime. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.